Hi everybody. Today we're gonna learn the word hunda si. What does it mean in Punjabi? Hunda si, right? So it is mean basically I used to, right? Like basically the things you were used to do in the past but no longer using now. So for those things you can say like I used to do that, right? Like I used to watch TV, right? But you are no longer watching TV. So the same thing in Punjabi is ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ. Like you can say ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ 10 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ TV ਦੇਖਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ. Right? It means when I was 10 years old I used to watch TV. ਐਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Anything you used to do it's going to be with ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ in Punjabi. So it's pretty simple. I'm gonna speak a couple of sentences so you can learn some, and it could I hope it would get stuck in your head. So yeah. So just remember ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ for fast used to, right? So like if I say I used to play football. ਮੈਂ ਫੁੱਟਬਾਲ ਖੇਡਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, right? It's mean I'm no longer playing football at this moment. Or you can say like I used to eat a lot of fruit when I was a child. ਹੈ ਨਾ in ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਛੋਟਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਫਰੂਟ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, right? Did you notice ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ when in the past you used to do? Or another sentence like if you're gonna say you can say 2 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਬਾਲੀ ਚਾਹ ਪੀਂਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, right? ਜਾਂ 2 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਚਾਹ ਪੀਂਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ. Both and body mean the same. It means a lot, right? So you notice and then it's ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, so it's past. You used to do something in 2 years ago but not now. So 2 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਬੜੀ ਚਾਹ ਪੀਂਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ. It means 2 years ago I used to drink a lot of tea, you know? Or you can say I used to drink a lot of tea 2 years ago. So the same thing. So I hope you get the meaning. So what did it mean? I hope like a ਹੁੰਦਾ si means you used to, right? Anything you used to do in the past but not now. So that time if you want to make a sentence in Punjabi, so I think you need to use ਹੁੰਦਾ si. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.